While I'm riding this beautiful road to start with, here's the route I want to share with you today. Keep an eye out for the southern part with La Roche-Houffalize and the twisty roads in between. Let's go there and check it out. This road is the N89 by the way, and it's one worth riding. Tarmac is smooth, fun corners, and I'm practically alone. Because La Roche sits in a valley, both the ride into town and the ride back out are always spectacular. In this route we even enter or leave in multiple directions, as you can see here. We follow now the N860, start slow and easy and head to the very curvy part near Houffalize, which you're about to see in a moment. And here we are, the curvy part near Houffalize. Look at this long sweeper to the left. Saying hi to the fellow riders and ride to the next great part near waypoint 11. Tarmac isn't that great, but still very fun. At the end of this video I make a summary of this ride, and let me remind you that you can always find a link to this track in the description. Have a look at that open landscape. Now entering La Roche again. Do you see the castle coming into view on the hill? Wait till we leave in a moment, you don't want to miss that. Look at this. As we're riding through Voelt, we're getting near the end of this route. Let's have a look of what we rode today. I started this video at waypoint 4 with the first corners, passed La Roche for the first time and did the great N860, a real highlight of this track. Then to the fern part at waypoint 10 and again La Roche with a great view while leaving. Riding further north and heading back home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. If you want to ride this track yourself, you can find it in the description. Ride safe until next time.